Hi, everyone. John Rymer here from analysis.tech. I'm hoping today to provide a little introduction to a piece of research and analysis that we've recently published at analysis.tech about the kinds of applications that we will be building using generative AI, modern AI. The report is available at www.analysis.tech/research. The subject is copilots, agents, and low code. So we put this report together because we see so much confusion about specifically copilots and agents. There's a lot of loose talk that conflates the two ideas, those two ideas. The bigger picture here is that, like any other new technology, with Gen AI, we are working real hard to apply it to application structures and concepts that we already understand. But there are going to be some changes. There are going to be some new things that we do, and we want to make sure that we're thinking about those as well. So, copilots and agents. We see lots of evidence that these are the two types of software assets that we as developers will build and deliver in enterprises, at least at this early stage of the game. This is a bit controversial. Some people believe copilots are a real thing and we should focus on them, and some people don't. We've concluded that copilots are actually useful, and they are a useful thing for us to focus on. Like as I said earlier, lots of folks conflate these two things, these two assets, and they shouldn't. Basically, if you just think about the metaphors, literally, what is a copilot? A copilot sits alongside the pilot and helps the pilot out. It's at a high level, that's basically what it is. And what is an agent? Well, if you're buying a house, an agent is an expert who helps you buy that house. And those of us who have been through that process know what that's about. Insurance agents help you navigate a welter of possible insurance policies to pick the one that's right for you. Again, they're experts, and they help you do things to improve your life, or pursue your life. So copilots and agents, the software versions of these things, are very, very similar. Copilots are all about the user experience. In a modern IT architecture, you've actually got a lot of complex functionality that users have to navigate to complete their tasks, complete their work. And in many cases, those assets, whether they be packaged applications like a Salesforce or a ServiceNow or an HR system or something like that, many times the person doesn't use those features every day. And so they actually can struggle to pull together the set of functionality and take the actions that they need to take in order to complete their task. Well, the role of a copilot is to help with that. I think of it as helping to automate work protocols that fan out across multiple assets. So it's all about the UI. And agents, on the other hand, are autonomous processing engines. They are expert in making a decision or collecting information and consolidating it, or evaluating an image to determine whether a car is actually so damaged that we need to total it, and on and on and on. There are as many tasks like that you can think of. There are opportunities to create agents. So agents, they make decisions. They either make decisions automatically, or they help decide, or they actually take actions on your behalf. Copilots use agents. Copilots invoke agents to help customers, to help users accomplish their tasks. And there are other agents that help with governance. for example, to ensure that copilots or other agents don't take nefarious actions or don't violate corporate policies. They're kind of monitors. They're kind of Uber agents that look after the work that we're trying to accomplish to make sure that it's done correctly. Um, in the world of low code, both of these software assets are being applied. And in the world of low code, we as developers will build both copilots and agents depending on what our needs are. There's a lot of emphasis right now on agents that use generative AI, but we believe that copilots will take their place among main user interface concepts in fairly short order. If you'd like to read the whole report, the analysis of what copilots and agents are and how they relate and how low code how they fit into a low code strategy, again, check out the report at www.analysis.tech/research. Thanks for listening, and I hope we've helped. What do you think?